What's up? Blurry. What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandi Samkit. For those of you that do not know, thank you so much for tuning back on. And if you are a new subscriber here, thank you so much for subscribing. On today's video, I am going to be reviewing a makeup kit that I got on Takealot a couple of months ago. I was basically just looking for a case where I could keep all of my makeup stuff, and I thought maybe let me find something that comes with, you know, maybe an eyeshadow palette and a couple of brushes and that kind of thing. And I managed to find one on Takealot. Stick around to see more of that. So this is what the box looks like. It's the Miss Young makeup kit. It has eyeshadow, blusher, nail polish, lipstick, lip gloss. It's got a couple of brushes as well as a mirror. There was a pink option and there was a black option. Went for the pink option. This is what it looks like inside. So this is what it looks like. I like this briefcasey buckle thing that's going on here. Just gonna try to open it. So you can see the eyeshadow palettes over here, the brushes at the top with the mirror in the background. These are supposed to be lights. You can put batteries in there to switch them on. And then this is how this opens up. And then, not sure if you can, in there, there is lipstick, lip gloss, and a couple of nail polishes. I'm going to be mainly using the eyeshadow palettes. Just want to see, you know, how they wear and that kind of thing. I'm gonna try. Let me show you the brushes. So it comes with like 5 brushes that look like this. I'm gonna try use as many of them as I possibly can and see how it goes. So I'm just gonna prep my face and start off with my brows, and then we'll come back to the eyeshadow. So I am done with the brows. I am going to go in with my Eyeshadow Pro Conceal Concealer, just to prime the lids. So I'm going to take one of the brushes from this makeup kit, and I'm going to use the green, this green. Okay, let's do this green and see how that, actually no, I'm going to use the one in the middle. Okay. The brush feels a little light, which sometimes makes me a little nervous, but it applies. As for the eyeshadow, it's also not bad at all. Especially for us beginners. And I'm just gonna try to blend it out. Do they? Okay, so this kit doesn't have like a proper blending brush, so I'm going to use my own. I'm just gonna blend that out. I wonder how it's picking up on camera. Okay, let's do the other side. Next, I'm gonna go in with another brush, and I'm going to use this color over here. It's like a champagne-ish color for the inner eye. It's an inner eye. Yeah. Let's see how that goes. Okay. So I'm not doing cut crease things. I'm just applying just for So I'm just trying to blend it in with the green. It's not bad. Just gonna go in with my blending brush again, just to blend that out nicely. So I'm going to finish off the rest of my face off camera, and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. I've just done my foundation and concealer. There's a shade here that I think I can use as a bronzer. It looks a little light on the camera, but on here it looks like I can use it as a bronzer. So let's try that out. it's still a bit lighter than what I prefer. Okay, let's see. It's looking a little pale. It's not doing what I wanted to do. Let's see. There is a blush shade in the other side of the palettes. It's a very bright pink, which makes me a little scared because it is very bright. Let's see. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but okay, I'm gonna go on with like more of it because I'm scared. Or must I? Let me just. Doesn't look too bad. And there we have it. I have completed my look. Just a couple of points on the entire kit. The brushes, firstly, are a bit light, which kind of makes me feel a little uneasy. I want them to have, you know, some weight. Well, not some weight, but just be like actually feel like you're holding something. So these ones are a bit light, or maybe I'm just not used to them, but they apply quite well. Same thing goes for the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is also applies quite well. It looks like it's got like patchy tendency vibes. I haven't worn this for long enough to see how it wears throughout the day. I might do maybe something like that in future. So yeah, but I think for now I really like it. I really like it. It's not bad, at all. The blush, I think it picks up a little on camera. I couldn't see it when, like, on my mirror, when I was using my mirror. So I think that's why I was also just a bit afraid to add more, because then I probably would have looked like, I don't know, a doll or something. The bronzer, or the shade that I used to contour, was a little dodgy. It was a little dodgy, so I just went in with the one I just normally use on a day-to-day basis to kind of just warm up in the face a bit, because I think that was also looking a little pale. Otherwise, yeah, I really liked the kit. Have a good rest of your day or rest of your evening, whatever time it is that you're watching this. Thank you guys so much for tuning in once again, and please remember to comment, to subscribe, to share this video with your friends, and let me know down below if you like this kind of content, and maybe share what else you would like to see me do in the future.